Welcome to Tara Nawaz's channel. Our mission is to help you discover your dream job. We offer a diverse range of exciting job opportunities in various industries. No matter your background or experience, we are confident that you will find something that matches your skills and interests. Our client, Witt Engineering, is hiring a skilled CNC programmer and setter to join their manufacturing team. The successful candidate should have a technical degree or certification in CNC programming and machining, with at least 2 to 3 years of experience programming and operating CNC machines. You will be responsible for setting up machines, programming code, and monitoring the production process to ensure quality and accuracy. Other responsibilities include troubleshooting, routine maintenance, and adhering to safety guidelines. The candidate should have strong attention to detail, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work independently or as part of a team. Physical requirements include the ability to lift up to 50 pounds and work in a fast-paced environment. A valid driver's license, Namibian citizenship or permanent residency, and a police clearance certificate are required. Click the link in the description below this video for more details of this vacancy, and also to apply via our portal at jobportunities.net. At the conclusion of each of our videos, we feature a message from Tara Nawaz. Today's message will be delivered by Emma. So, take it away, Emma.
Welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us on our mission to help you thrive in your career. Our commitment to you is providing the necessary resources for success, including job openings, resume pointers, interview techniques, and motivational clips. We want to inspire you to pursue your career ambitions and empower you with the right mindset and tools to achieve them. Don't miss out on our latest job opportunities or career advice. Hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. By sharing our channel with your network, you'll be helping them achieve their dream job too. As we bid farewell from the beautiful town of Swakopmund, we send you positive vibes and best wishes for your future pursuits. Remember, your career aspirations are worth striving for, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, and let's keep working towards your dream career. Goodbye.